I'm Tina, I'm part owner of Step Up Automotive with my husband Rodney. Low contact car servicing is where we minimise the amount of contact face to face with our customers. So we're keeping our distance, your 1.5 metre rule. The customer doesn't actually physically have to hand us anything, they just leave the keys in the car and we handle it all from there. We're actually wrapping all the customers' contact points inside their cars, so plastic wrap around the steering wheel, the gear knob, anywhere where we contact on a regular basis. We also use gloves and masks whilst we're in our customers' cars just to protect everybody. And then before the car is delivered back to the customer, plastic's removed and then it's all the areas are wiped down with a hospital-grade disinfectant. We offer Afterpay through AutoGuru online. Everything that we offer in-house, we also offer Afterpay as a payment method. You don't have to pay anything up front on the day and that you can pay things off over time, which makes it a little bit more budget friendly and just gives you a bit more time to pay, and it gives you an opportunity to be able to spend that little bit more money if the car needs to have a little bit more done to it than what you'd initially budgeted for. The great thing about AutoGuru is that everything is up front in front of you. You can see how much it's going to cost you for your vehicle service and repairs and exactly what's included, so you're making an informed decision about the workshop and the service that you're having done to your vehicle.
To book a car service or repair, visit autoguru.com.au. Don't forget you can pay it off in 4 using Afterpay.